So this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e, and it's actually a really nice and pretty affordable tablet. From the outset, the Tab S5e does share a striking resemblance to the iPad Pro, but it does cost almost half, and that display is simply stunning. Internally, it has the Snapdragon 670 paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal expandable storage, making this a great portable entertainment option, although it is worth noting that there is no headphone port, which is a real shame. Those internal specs help it glide through Android Pie and One UI, but in terms of short hands-on time, it's not clear if this has been altered from the smartphone version to take advantage of the larger display. That said, I did have one issue with Asphalt 9 Legends, which simply wouldn't load on any device I tried, but everything else seemed to play fine without hiccup or issue. This was likely a game error rather than the Tab S5e itself, it seems. The slimline design and lightweight build would have you think this is a flimsy device, but it is actually sturdy in the hand. It has a fantastic finish that feels smooth, and the chamfered edges are comfortable to say the least. For me though, the display is undoubtedly the core selling point, as it is simply gorgeous in person. For consuming content, it will be arguably one of the best portable options on the market once it releases. Although I have to say that this was a brief encounter, it will be top of our priorities list for review in the coming weeks. Be sure to subscribe to see that once it drops on the channel, and let us know in the comments section what you think despite this being a super duper quick hands-on. That said, until next time, this is Damien from 9to5Google saying thanks again for watching, and I will speak to you later.